Want to create a TikTok video that everyone will talk about? Whether it's a tutorial, a hilarious moment, or something totally unexpected? Today, I'm going to show you how to create a viral TikTok that could be the next big thing. So grab your phone and let's dive in. First things first, what's your video idea? So are you teaching something cool? You're jumping on a trending sound? Or did something amazing happen in real life that you just have to share? So TikTok thrives on creativity and authenticity, so think outside the box. One pro tip, check the trending tab on TikTok for some inspiration. You never know what might spark your imagination. Now you got your idea? Great. Now open up the TikTok app and let's hit the big plus sign at the bottom of your screen. From here, you've got two options. You can record a video directly in the app, or you can upload a video from your photo library. Let's break these down. So the first option, recording directly on TikTok. So here, recording in the app is super easy and TikTok gives you tons of tools to make your video pop. So let me show you how to do this. So first, you can go ahead and choose the video length. So you can choose 15 seconds, 60 seconds, or even 10 minutes if you're feeling ambitious. Next, you can go ahead and choose the camera settings. So you can switch between the front and the rear cameras. You can turn on the flash if it's dark, and you can set a timer if you need hands-free recording for that dance challenge. Next, you can add effects. You can smooth your skin, whiten your teeth, or even go wild with the face filters. You want to look like a robot? Then there's an effect for that as well. You can also adjust the speed, so you can record in slow-mo for dramatic flair or speed up things for comedy gold. Lastly, you have your voice effects. If you want to sound like a chipmunk or a robot, TikTok's voice changer has you covered. And now don't forget about the music. Pick a trending track to play in the background. TikTok is all about syncing those moves to the beat. Once everything's set, hit the record button and let the magic happen. Now the next option is uploading a video from your library. So if you already have the perfect clip or the photo, no problem. Just tap upload, select your video and photos, and then hit next. Boom, you're halfway there now. Now here comes the fun part, editing. TikTok's built-in editor is like having CapCut right at your fingertips. So here's what you can do. So here you can add text, so you can highlight the important part of your video with captions or speech bubbles. You can make them colorful, and you can also add effects like text-to-speech. Next, you have the sticker feature. From emojis to animated stickers, these can all be added to your video to add humor or emphasis. You can also use effects, so whether it's glitter, fire, or the iconic green screen effect, the effect will make your video stand out. Next, you have the AutoCut templates. With this, if you want to make a quick edit, you can use these TikTok templates. They do all the heavy lifting. They just drop your clips in, and they'll add the sound, and they'll make it according to their template. So whatever they create is whatever you get. Then you have the caption. Let TikTok automatically generate captions for you. So accessibility equals more reach. So of course, if more people can understand your video, they'll reach to more people. So once you're happy with your edits, go ahead and hit next. Now on this screen, this is your chance to hook viewers. So you need to keep it short, snappy, and relatable. So you can add 3 to 4 hashtags, no more than that. And TikTok's algorithm will only pay attention to the first few, so make them count. Use hashtags like hashtag for you or hashtag FYP or ones related to your content. One pro tip, if you're collaborating or inspired by someone, tag them by using the @ symbol to mention them, and this can help boost your video through their audience too. Finally, before hitting the post button, check these other settings down below. You can add a location tag to make your video more relatable. You can add thumbnails, so you can choose a catchy frame or maybe create a custom cover with bold titles. Your thumbnail is like your video's first impression, so make it count. Lastly, you can go ahead and tweak the privacy settings for maximum reach. Set it to public so that everyone can see it. Now, once everything is ready, go ahead and hit that post button. Your video will now be uploaded and the waiting game begins. So here's a secret sauce: consistency and creativity equals virality. Keep posting interesting and unique, authentic content, engage with the comments, try new trends, and always have fun with it. If today's video doesn't go viral, then tomorrow's might. Just remember, every dog has its day. Got any questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more TikTok hacks and social media secrets. See you next time and happy TikToking.